Paano nagsasalita siya, sinasabayan mo siya?
I apologize, Senator Gatchalian.
One more
I
and
apologize.
I will cite you in contempt.
Pero para patunayan po yung katotohanan na nakalasaad sa dokumentong yan, dapat meron pong testigo na nakakita ng ginawa yung dokumentong yan, o di naman kaya testigo ng gumawa ng dokumentong yan, o di naman kaya yung testigo na pumirma ng dokumentong yan.
Actually,
Pag
as
wala
I
po
said
yan,
earlier,
hindi
excuse me,
po
excuse
siya
me.
po
No,
pwede.
excuse
Ma'am,
me.
excuse me
No,
kasi...
excuse me, Attorney Roque.
I'm sorry, madam, but
Yes,
I am a
it's all
resource
right.
person invited.
Yes, you are.
I was
Wait.
asked
Let me
to
finish.
answer.
Yes, you
Hindi ko po
already answered in
maintindihan,
excess.
Kapag gusto niyo
Sandali
akong
po.
tumigil pa, patigil niyo ako kapag ako nag-explain.
Yes.
I thought we were engaged in
Attorney.
the search for the truth.
Oh, definitely we are. Attorney Roque, what I am
Sir,
saying,
Madam
yes, and
Chair.
Sherwin.
Attorney Roque, please be reminded to respect the chairperson.
I'm very respectful, Madam Chair.
Paano respectful na nagsasalita siya, sinasabayan mo siya?
I apologize, Senator Gatchalian.
One more
I
and
apologize.
I will cite you in contempt. And if you disrespect the chairperson, we'll be compelled to cite you in contempt.
I understand and I apologize.
Huwag mo naman
Your Honor.
sabayan siya, nagsasalita siya. Siya ang chairperson.
Okay, Your Honor. I understand. I apologize. Madam, nagagalit po kayo dahil sinasabi nyo, binibigay ko ng mga salita ang inyong bibig. Pero right now,
Hindi
you
naman
already
ako
assume...
nagagalit. Sinasabi ko lang wag niyong gawin
Oo,
yun.
pero ngayon po, sinabi nyo, you again insinuated that I had anything to do with the document. Ayan nga po ang sinasabi ko. As far as I know po...
Attorney, please stop using that offensive verb insinuating. I am a very plain speaker.
Okay, I'm
Pwede
sorry.
Nyo lang, it's all right. Pwede
Okay.
nyo lang sabihin mali yung fact na
Mali po.
sinasite, tinatanggi
Oo.
nyo yung sinabi ng ibang resource person. 4 na taon na pong itong investigasyon. Halos wala na pong nag-insinuate kasi dire-diretso na pong mag-usap. Okay, so please tell the committee, kinonfront nyo ba si Cassie Linong or kinasuhan nyo ba siya? Bakit nandyan yung pangalan nyo sa organization?
Well, unang-una po, nalaman ko lang na nandun ang aking pangalan nung nag-hearing po last time dito na sinabi ni Chairman Altenco. Pero bilang abogado and naging professor ng constitutional law, I'm familiar with the rules of the Senate. And the Senate says that in proving facts, the rules of court apply in the suppletory character.
I don't need to argue with you about
Opo,
that, attorney.
pero
But you
ang
don't need
sinasabi
to,
ko lang po-
excuse me, sandali po. You don't need to tell the committee what the rules of the Senate
Well,
are.
I'm just
Please
citing
just
po.
answer our question. You don't
My
need to
answer
cite,
po
it's not
is
necessary.
that document is only evidence of its existence. Pero para patunayan po yung katotohanan na nakalasaad sa dokumentong yan, dapat meron pong testigo na nakakita ng ginawa yung dokumentong yan, o di naman kaya testigo ng gumawa ng dokumentong yan, o di naman kaya yung testigo na pumirma ng dokumentong yan.
Actually,
Pag
as
wala
I
po
said
yan,
earlier,
hindi
excuse
po siya
me.
po
No,
pwede.
excuse
Ma'am,
me.
excuse me
No,
kasi...
excuse me, Attorney Roque.
I'm sorry, madam, but
Yes,
I am a
it's all
resource
right.
person invited.
Yes, you are.
I was
Wait.
asked
Let me
to
finish.
answer.
Yes, you
Hindi ko po
already answered in
maintindihan,
excess.
Kapag gusto niyo
Sandali
akong
po.
tumigil pa, patigil niyo ako kapag ako nag-explain.
Yes.
I thought we were engaged in
Attorney.
the search for the truth.
Oh, definitely we are. Attorney Roque, what I am
Sir,
saying,
Madam
yes, and
Chair.
Sherwin.
Attorney Roque, please be reminded to respect the chairperson.
I'm very respectful, Madam Chair. I understand and I apologize.
Huwag mo naman
Your Honor.
sabayan siya, nagsasalita siya. Siya ang chairperson.
Okay, Your Honor. I understand. I apologize.
Salamat, Sen Sherwin. At salamat, Attorney Roque, sa apology nyo kay Sen Sherwin. All I'm saying is, there is no need for any resource person to cite the rules of the Senate to a Senate committee. We know that. So please just answer the questions which are being asked of each resource person at length with an embarrassment of time para masagot nyo yung mga tanong. But please stick to the topics and do not lecture a Senate committee about the rules of the Senate committee. We know that. We correct ourselves kapag lumalabag kami doon. So, I suppose your answer is hindi kayo nagreklamo kay Cassie Leong at hindi nyo siya kinasuhan kung bakit nandun yung pangalan nyo sa chart.
As I said, Madam, nalaman ko lang po yung pangalan ko nasa chart during the last hearing. Ang sinasabi ko po under oath as an officer of the court, hindi ko po inauthorize ang paglagay ng pangalan ko doon. Wala pong kinalaman sa paggawa ng dokumentong yan at wala pong kahit anong testimonya sa kahit sino na gumawa ng testimonya na nagsasabi na pumayag po ako. And I deny that under oath.
All right. And sa interview nyo naman po kina Ted Filon at DJ Chacha, inamin nyo, quote, dinulog sa akin yung problema ni Cassie yung nangyari sa Lucky South. So mula mismo sa bibig ninyo, interes ng mismong POGO ang miniting at fina-follow up nyo o inaareglo sa PAGCOR.
Kasi nga po, si Cassie ay service provider ng Lucky South. So gaya po ng sinagot din ni Dennis Cunanan, pag may problema ang Lucky South, tumatawag sila doon sa mga tao na tutulungan sila dahil hindi nga po nag-i-English yung mga yan.
Okay. So but whether service provider o ano pa man, dinulog nyo yung problema ni Miss Cassie Leong at ng Lucky South na isang POGO, idinulog nyo sa PAGCOR. Yun
Dinulog
yung
ko
malinaw.
po
Alright.
dahil pinakiusapan po ako nung service provider. Dahil wala po akong kahit sinong kakilala sa Lucky South.
Well, kilala nyo si Cassie Leong, siya, Lucky South po siya.
Ay hindi ko po siya kakilala as Lucky South dahil ito po mga dokumento nagpapakita na siya ay pumirma sa mga pleadings na ginawa ko nung ako po'y retain mga 2 weeks after that meeting para sa kasong ejectment. Kaya nga po paulit-ulit ako, hindi po nagtagal. Matapos yung meeting na yon, dinulog po sa akin itong mga kaso. At 3 kaso po yan at lahat po ito ngayon isusumite ko sa ating komite
Salamat.
na nagpapatunay po na ang aking kliyente sa mga kasong ito ay will win at ang pumirma po ay si Cassie Ong bilang Corporate Secretary. Madam, I'm now turning over these documents and this consists of number 1, ad cautelam motion to quash or recall writ of execution filed before Branch 114 of the Regional Trial Court of Angeles City, omnibus motion, first manifestation, entry of appearance, and second manifestation, remand of the case to MTC, filed before the Municipal Trial Court of Porac, Pampanga, both of which confirm, both of which contain the filing with our consent by one Catherine Cassandra L. Ong, Corporate Secretary, Whirlwind Corporation. No? And of course, the third one is a petition for annulment of judgment with application for temporary restraining order and writ of preliminary injunction, docketed as CA GR number 18013, filed with the Court of Appeals, also bearing verification and consent signed by Cassandra L. Ong as Corporate Secretary of Whirlwind Corporation.
Salamat,
May I submit
Attorney.
these
Yes,
documents to the
COMSEC, paki-receive kay Attorney
Corporate
Roque.
Secretary, Your Honor.
To the Committee Secretary. Yes, thank you.
I to the Committee Secretary.
Yes. Speaking of Cassie Leong again, in contact po ba kayo sa kanya? Baka naman pwede niyong sabihan siya na mag-show up na dito.
I will advise her to show up dahil kinakailangan talaga, especially to prove kung ano talaga yung reklamo niya kay Mr. Dennis Cunanan.
Salamat. At kung nasa Singapore na siya, malapit lang naman mag-fly back.